Hey Math 8 students. So today we are doing slope from graph. So I think it's slope from graph. Maybe it's slope from a graph. I don't know. Either way, it's about that. So how do you find the slope from this? So here's what we got going on here. So I'm going to just kind of uh, do a little thing here. I'm going to grab a little color here for us. Do you notice on this grid line, so when I say it crosses a grid line perfectly, do you see a grid here and you see the grid going here? So you might notice like right here, at that point right there, do you see how that's perfectly crosses a grid going one way or the other? This would be another example. Down here's another example. Actually, there's lots of examples, okay? But we want to know, where does this blue line cross the grid perfectly? You'll notice absolutely not here. That spot right there, not quite. And when I say perfect, I want it absolutely on that line. You might notice right here, yeah, it crosses perfectly right here. So I'm going to put a dot right there, and hopefully you're doing the same. Then I need to put a second dot. Let's see, not quite right here. No, no, no. Ooh, again, this one's close right there. Do you see that? But this one right here is absolutely perfect again. So these are the two spots where it crosses perfectly. Now, the question becomes, how much did my graph go up or down? First of all, as I look at this from the left spot right here to the right spot right here, did the line go up or did the line go down? And hopefully you're saying, well, from here to here, it's going down, and you'd be correct. The question then is, how much did it go down? And you might say, well, it went down 1, 2, 3, 4 spots. And then how much did it go over? Back over to this spot right here. And you might say it went over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it went down 4, over 5. How do we write that? I'm going to write that right here, you guys, in the circle. It went down 4 over 5, and that's our slope. Negative 4 over 5. Okay, let's do one more, just so we know what we're doing here. Here's our next one. All right, our first thing again is we got to find and put a dot exactly where it's at. So again, I got to grab my fun little colors here. Do red again. You know what? Hey, it looks like it crosses perfectly here. So I'm going to put one right there. And then it looks like it crosses perfectly one more time right here. Does everyone see that? Crosses perfectly in those two spots. Now, working from left to right, we always work from left to right. Is this line going up or is this line going down? And working from the left side to the right side, it's going up. You might say that this line is going up just 1 unit, and this line is going over 1, 2 units. So up 1 over 2. How do we write that? And again, I'm going to put my answer right down here in this little red circle. It goes up 1 over 2, so it's got a slope of 1/2. That's how you do it, guys. Good luck. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.